First exercise.
Yo, I just got hit in
3, 2, 1, go!
Start in a plank position with your elbows under your shoulders and your body in a straight line. Now extend one elbow at a time and lift your body to a high plank position. Hold for a moment and lower back to a standard plank position. Repeat.
like me, but I got a wifey, she be real nice to me, no one works like me, got a different mind, see, my rate is pricey, got a different psyche, ooh, lyrics are icy, living life nicely, very precisely, living the
20 seconds.
All I know is that I've been living for the sightseeing, been around the world for a visit, first class ticket, man, I'm in it, man, I'm winning, I don't have no limit, if I want it, then I get it, if she want it, then she get it, I ain't never
10 seconds.
I've been winning 6 shots, it's spinning, but I still keep ripping, and I still keep hitting 2 ways, I'm splitting all in, I'm risking it all.
3, 2, 1, rest.
I want it all, yeah, a good life, I don't think small, yeah, I'ma be big one day, see me taking off runway, my name up in lights someday, looking at a crowd that loves me, yeah, I came here to play.
I'm lucid, I'm not losing, this life is one I'm choosing.
Next exercise.
Just watch me.
3, 2, 1, go!
Lie on your back with your arms raised overhead and legs extended, resting on the floor. Now lift your upper body and arms off the floor and at the same time tuck your legs in, bringing them toward your chest. Lower your arms to the outer side of each leg. Hold for a moment and return to the starting position. Repeat.
Twenty seconds. 10 seconds.
I'm the kingpin of the meeting, taking souls at the depths of the fear and I teach them.
3, 2, 1, rest.
Live life how you want, live it just so you please it. No weakness, we defeat this. In a mind of a time we become, we believe it. Oh, I just wanna be a free man. Need a plan that can teach me how to be man. How to think, what to do, what to be in. Make moves, be the change in my own hands. Follow through, do what I gotta do, prove what I gotta prove, move how I gotta move, choose what I gotta choose.
Next exercise. 3, 2, 1, go!
Stand shoulder width apart with your arms at your sides and elbows bent. Now with a hop, curl your left knee and push your elbows behind your back. Step down and quickly change, curling your right knee. Bring your arms forward and up, keeping your elbows bent. Alternate legs.
20 seconds. 10 seconds. 3, 2, 1, rest.
Yeah, she's got some nice long hair and you know
Next exercise. 3, 2, 1, go!
Stand in a wider stance with your arms clenched in front of your chest. Perform 3 lateral shuffles to the right and on the third step, lower to a squat. Come for a squat and twist your upper body to the left, pushing your elbow behind your back and rotating your hips. Return to the center and perform a squat. Come from a squat and shuffle to the left side. Lower to a squat, and as you come from it, twist it to the right.
20 seconds.
you get what I am saying. And they say that she's not easy, no, she's really complicated. But that only makes it better, and it's got me so fixated. And
10 seconds.
never hesitated, but she's got me captivated. So the game, I'm gonna play it, yeah.
3, 2, 1, rest.
These rumors got me feeling lonely. I want that body, baby, show me. She's got a body like a cocaine. She likes to keep the party going.
Next exercise. 3, 2, 1, go!
Stand in a wider stance with your arms raised overhead. Now turn to the left, bend the left knee and bend forward. Bring your arms down, pushing them at your sides behind your back. Lift the right heel off the floor. Return to the center and turn to the right, bending the right knee and lowering your arms down. Return to the center and repeat.
20 seconds.
I heard you like to get away. I heard you like to stay out late. I heard you had a
10 seconds.
I heard they didn't treat you right. I heard you're hated by your
3, 2, 1, rest.
They say she's too hot, they say she's too cold. Where she came from, nobody really knows. They say she looks young, but say she acts old. From everything I've heard, she gets out of control. And all the boys say she was
Next exercise. 3, 2, 1, go.
Stand hip distance apart with your arms raised overhead. Now with a hop, lift your left knee as high as you can and pull both arms down, bending your elbows. Return to the starting position. Next, with a hop, lift your right knee and pull your arms down. Step to the ground and repeat.
20 seconds. 10 seconds. 3, 2, 1, rest. Next exercise. 3, 2, 1, go!
Lie on your back with your elbows bent behind your head. Lift your legs off the floor and bend your knees. Now lift your head and upper back off the floor. Perform reverse cycling with your legs, bringing one leg at a time toward your chest and extending the other leg. Keep your body off the floor throughout the exercise.
"20 seconds. 10 seconds. 3, 2, 1, rest.
'Cause we want retribution. Oh yeah, we want retribution. Oh yeah, we want retribution. Oh yeah, we want retribution. Yeah, we win it.
Next exercise. 3, 2, 1, go!
Sit on the mat with your knees bent and arms in front of your chest and elbows bent. Lean back with your upper body while keeping your back in a natural position. Now lift your left leg off the floor and tap the foot with your right arm, bringing your body forward. Return to the starting position and lift your right leg and tap it with your left hand. Return to the original position and repeat. Alternate sides.
20 seconds. 10 seconds. 3, 2, 1, rest. Next exercise. 3, 2, 1, go!
Start in a quadruped position with your hands under your shoulders and your knees stacked under your hips. Now lift your left arm and leg, extend and lean on the right side. Next, bring your left knee and elbow together at your sides to tap down. Lower to the ground. Repeat with the right side. Lift your right arm and leg and bring them together at your side. Return to the starting position and repeat. Alternate sides.
In the mirror,
20 seconds.
clearer. I don't really think anyone can save me, and honestly I'm not really sure I want saving. I like to be my own worst enemy. There's no risk if you don't try at anything.
10
I wanna
seconds.
everything to you in the next life, have to be a better me. I don't think that my head's on straight. Gotta flip it and grip it and go
3, 2, 1, rest.
Till I suffocate. Better change my mindset, meditate. It's pretty cool that I'm alive and have better days. I could walk, see, hear, I should celebrate. Think I could change my mind, maybe elevate. Living life, every day, late at night, not okay. All I want, and I pray, all I need.
Next exercise.
All I need.
3, 2, 1, go.
Sit on the mat with your arms behind your back. Lean back and bend your elbows so that your upper body is resting on your forearms. Bend your knees and tuck them in toward your chest. Now roll to the left side and extend your knees. Return to the center, roll to the right side and extend your knees. Return to the starting position and repeat.
Me. I think it's different for everyone. Some of us need work, others need fun. Some of us need
20
Trying to do
seconds.
what you love when it's said and done. Cause there's so many differences in each of us. Trust your gut, it can show you what you want. Living life, every day, late at night.
10 seconds.
And I pray, all I need are some better days. Yeah.
3, 2, 1, rest.
I believe in a better day. Living life, every day, late at night, not okay. All I want, and I pray, all I need are some better days. Yeah, all I need are some better days. Cause all I want, and I pray, I believe.
Next exercise. 3, 2, 1, go.
Lie on your left side and support your body on your left forearm. Extend your legs and stack them on top of each other. Align your body in a straight line. Lift the right arm with your fingers pointing toward the ceiling. Now lift your hips off the floor and rotate inward, bringing the right arm under your left side. Return to the center and lower your hips. Repeat.
They make us feel a rivalry, compare ourselves to others.
20 seconds.
We were raised in different structures, so we're different, it's no wonder, yeah. I just want a great life, something where I feel like
10 seconds.
something I look back and say that was a great time. Cause man, I just hate when they
3, 2, 1, rest.
And I need a little time to find who I am in this life. I will find a way to feel alive. I'm so
Last exercise. 3, 2, 1, go.
Lie on your right side and support your body on your right forearm. Extend your legs and stack them on top of each other. Align your body in a straight line. Lift the right arm with your fingers pointing toward the ceiling. Now lift your hips off the floor and rotate inward, bringing the left arm under your right side. Return to the center and lower your hips. Repeat.
It's not the goal, it's the journey.
20 seconds.
I'll stop being in a hurry, and I'll just enjoy what I'm doing. Keep pushing forward and moving. Appreciate the improvement.
10 seconds.
I was so stuck on a goal, was losing sight of my soul. Need to enjoy getting old.
3, 2, 1, rest. Workout complete. Well done.
Well done. Intuition, it took me to a musician. Now I'm on a different mission to